Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix battery draining too fast on DOOGEE smartphone. Okay, so first let's open up the settings. Now let's scroll down into the battery and now click on Battery Manager. Let's enable to use the Battery Manager, detect when apps drain battery. When Battery Manager detects that apps are draining battery, you will have the option to restrict these apps. Restricted apps may not work properly and notification may be delayed. So if you want, you can enable that feature and you will have possibility to restrict those apps. From here, let's get back. It's also always worth to sometimes use a battery saver. You can enable it right in here, but let's get back, and from here let's go straight into the display. Also remember that if you have a high brightness level, that also might be the problem why your device is draining battery so fast, so you can simply try to decrease the brightness level. For example, in my case it's 33%, so it's not even half, so it's like really good brightness level. Also, we have the screen timeout. You need to remember that if you have higher screen timeout mode, for example, if you're using 5 minutes and your phone is lying flat just like that with a large screen, that also might be the problem why it's draining the battery so fast. So for example, you can select the screen timeout on 1 minute or 30 seconds just like me. So after 30 seconds of inactivity, the screen will be simply turned off. Also, we can use the dark theme. In this mode, the battery will be drained slower. And let's select the screen refresh rate on the automatic, because if you are using 120 Hz all the time, it also drains more battery. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.